Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you're watching the post market show. So the market continues the upward rally, and we have talked about this that once there's a clear range breakout, markets are likely to rally on that direction. And it has been, as you know, months since market have broken the all-time high levels from March lows of 16,800. Markets have rallied and finally broke out from that previous all-time high levels only last week. And what a fantastic rally it has been in the last 5 trading sessions. We have the Nifty is up by more than 700 points. So that is indeed what a breakout is supposed to look like, and that is what is happening in the market. So let us look into the today's intraday charts and see what has how the markets have traded today. So we have the this is the Bank Nifty chart. Let me switch to the Nifty chart. Yes, this is the Nifty chart I have in front of me, and you can see that markets opened with a gap up, and there was a beautiful rally. But then around 10:30 p.m., 10:30 a.m., there was some kind of sell-off, and markets fell, but it did not break the day's low. From there, markets went up, and it was a consolidation for the most part of the day. So this is good to see. Nifty up by 133 points, ending at 19,322 levels, up by 0.7 percentage. Bank Nifty had same thing, opened with a gap up, moved up above 45,000, and again fell back down. But for the rest of the day, it consolidated overall 0.92 percentage up by 410 points. So Bank Nifty above 45,000, Nifty above 19,000. Definitely, it is looking like a clear trend breakout. So this is the situation in the market. Talking about the mid caps and small caps, they continue to rally as they should. Nifty mid cap up by 0.25 percentage, Nifty small cap up by 0.89 percentage. So overall, both of them are still bullish. Coming to sectors, most of the sectors are in the green, but some sectors lagged behind today, such as we have Nifty Pharmaceutical Index down by 1.11 percentage. Nifty IT came under profit booking, 0.47 percentage down, and Nifty Auto Index is down by 0.27 percentage. But apart from that, all other sectors have ended in the green. Talking about the sector which is up the most, that is Nifty PSU Bank Index, up by 3.61 percentage. That is a massive rally in the PSU Bank Index. So that is there. And apart from that, we have good breakout coming in the energy sector as well, 1.3 percentage up. Nifty FMCG up by 1.05 percentage, and rest of the sectors are up between 0 and 1 percentage. So this is the situation right now. Most of the stocks are running in the green. And talking about market movers today, we have Reliance Industries, a Nifty heavyweight, up by 2.57 percentage, contributing almost 50 points plus in the Nifty's rally. Then we have ITC, HDFC Group, the HDFC and HDFC Bank combined, they have contributed almost 38 points to that. ICICI Bank up, State Bank of India up by 2.2 percentage. So this is the situation. Most of the Nifty heavyweights have ended in the green today, and that is why Nifty is up by so much. Talking about negatives, TCS is the top dragon in Nifty, down by 0.9 percentage. L&T, Sun Pharma, Power Grid, and Maruti. So this is the situation on the Nifty 50 stocks. And FIIs continue to buy. They have bought for another 2,000 crores, almost 199.95 crores, and DIIs have sold, but they have sold quite little today, and it is 337 crores selling by DIIs. So this is looking pretty impressive buying from the FIIs. I think in the last week they have bought for massive 12,000 crore one day, then 6,000 crore the other day, and again 2,000 crore today. So FIIs continue to buy, pumping the markets higher and higher. So this is good to see. And now coming to US markets, let's see what they are trading in. US markets are flat right now, trading with a positive bias. S&P 500 0.02 percentage up. Dow Jones is slightly up by 1.11 percentage. Nasdaq up by 0.3 percentage today. Mind you, tomorrow is the 4th of July, US Independence Day. So US market is going to remain closed tomorrow. So keep that in mind. And apart from that, let's look into the global markets. Global markets, we have kind of mixed. European markets are slightly down. UK markets down by 0.11 percentage. French markets down. German markets are slightly down by 0.4 percentage. But Asian markets continue to do well. Hong Kong markets up by 2 percentage. Japanese market up by 1.7 percentage. Chinese markets up by 1.13 percentage, and Korean markets up by 1.5 percentage. So Asian markets are looking pretty strong. European markets not so much. India VIX today shot up by 10 percentage because of the call premiums shooting up because the markets rallied so much. But put premiums did not come down. That is interesting. So overall, VIX has increased by 6.8 percentage. Now it is back above 10. Now it is at 11.54. That is where it has closed. So this is India VIX. Crude oil prices are inching higher. 71.3 is where it is. 0.03 is where it is trading. It is moving higher. And as we know, up above we have 74.5 to 75 as a resistance level. Gold prices, let's look at that. It was trading in this, below the support levels. Now it is taking a resistance over there. Let's see where it closes. So this is the situation of gold, and dollar index remains flat. So no changes happening over there. Talking about OI activities, let us look into the OI activities, but let me just quickly log in and then we can see the OI activities. So looking at the market, it has to be a lot of put selling across board because the markets are rallying so much. So let me open up Nifty and Bank Nifty. 6th of July expiry. So yes, I have opened it up. So Nifty 6th of July expiry, as we discussed, we have a massive amount of put writing happening very close to the strike. 19,300 have the highest amount of put build up right now, followed by 19,000 and 19,000 and 19,300. These have the highest put build up. And today intraday, 19,300 added a lot of put options. 19,500 psychological level, and logically it has the highest amount of call options. So let's see where markets trend. Put call ratio is clearly bullish, 1.47. A lot of puts have been are in the system than calls. So put call ratio is indicating 1.47, which indicates bullishness. And Bank Nifty put call ratio is at 1.46. So very similar to Nifty. Again, a very, very bullish. 45,000 psychological level, a round number, having the highest amount of put build up. Up above, we have calls at 45,200, 45,300, 45,500. So these are the levels. The calls have been written, but puts today 45,000 added huge amount of puts. So let's see where the markets head, and based on that, there will be movements. So the markets are in a continued rally. This is the daily charts, and I've told you that last 5 trading sessions market shot up more than 700 points. So there could be some profit booking or consolidation going ahead. So and it seems like today there was some kind of consolidation as well. So if you ignore the first movement, like the movement in the first half with the gap up, and then the markets were in a range for most of the day. 19,330 to be watched out tomorrow, and this trend line is also there. Let's see how the market reacts. This trend line the market has not been breaking this trend line for so long, and let's see if the market follows this trend line for tomorrow's trade as well. So talking about resistances, 19,330, that is where the market closed. That will be resistance, and up above it is difficult to say at this point of time. So draw this trend line and see if the market is breaking that trend line. Down below we can see supports at 19,250 and 19,200. These are the levels where markets could seek support. So this is Nifty, and coming to Bank Nifty, what we see is a trend line again similar to Nifty. There is a trend line, and markets have been respecting that trend line for since 27th of July, 27th of June, and today there seems to be another trend line coming from the top. So interesting to see markets forming a pattern. 45,082 looks like a support level, and if that is broken, we can expect some kind of sell-off or profit booking towards 44,800 or 44,800 or 770 levels. So that has to be seen, and so up above, definitely look out for today's high, which was 45,353. So this is the range for now, and expecting some consolidation before the next leg of rally, but let's see which side the market heads towards. And tomorrow is the Fin Nifty expiry as well, so let us discuss that as well. Let us see the Fin Nifty. Yeah, it is at 20,253. It is again at an all-time high level. So going tomorrow, definitely the markets are likely to remain or open flat, because US markets are flat and it is a holiday tomorrow as well. So 20,400 could act as a resistance upside, and down below we can say that 20,000 levels to act as a support in case of Fin Nifty. So if you want to be comfortable, 20,500 and above calls should be fine if you are selling options, and 20,000 below puts should be fine, looking at the way market is trending. But once 20,400 is broken and we have a good closing above that, then you can expect some kind of rally. So trade accordingly. But tomorrow is likely to be a consolidating day, looking at the price action for the second half of the markets, both in Nifty, Bank Nifty. So let us see what happens tomorrow. Do we see another rally? Will the rally continue? Will it be consolidation, or there will be profit booking setting into the market? So those we will be discussing tomorrow. And that is all from my side for now. Thank you for watching.